this is Jadiya Zarmad. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys always ask me कि यार daily vlogs क्यों नहीं करती आप, vlog क्या करें, show us a day in your life, a week in your life, stuff like that. And I'm always like, I don't have an interesting life, I don't have any friends, I don't do anything interesting. I mean, my life is very mundane. But this week has been quite exciting, and it's totally my bad कि मैंने पूरा week vlog नहीं किया. I mean, on Monday I went to the Strings concert for the Independence Day thing, and it was fun. I wish I would have vlogged it, but here's a clip. And now that you have just watched that choti si clip, it's Thursday, so Tuesday ko I just did an Independence Day look which went up on my Instagram, and कल मैंने कुछ ख़ास नहीं किया. I was just reading and stuff. But आज Thursday है, and आज का दिन is very exciting because it's actually going to be a long day for me. I have like 3 places to go, so I'll take you guys along with me. So first we're going to Indus Valley. There is some art exhibition going on there, so I'm going with a friend, and let's just see what happens. So guys, I'm here at Indus Valley right now. I'm just looking for my friend, and then I'll show you what the exhibition looks like. I hope it's good. I'm trying to figure out where to go, so yeah, let's see. Ooh, I see Ariba's art right there.
A joyous world with just women around.
And you just see that flow going on.
But
like,
why is it red? Why is the water red?
Is it red? I think it's light pink. No, I think it just shows femininity.
But should you okay? That is my.
I mean,
problem.
not stereotyping.
If
But
you're
I'm just
like
saying
showing
maybe.
pink as a femininity, that's my problem.
Yeah.
You just can't link a color with a person. Or
Yeah,
with
but
a,
maybe
like
that's
a
what
sex.
the artist thought that people would be able to relate to. Just by looking at it, you could tell that okay, it's just all women.
But they all are like almost all of them are happy.
Yeah, they seem
Whoa.
so happy. Okay, there's one.
You know
Not
what?
so happy.
You know what? I got it. So they're talking about a parallel universe.
Oh.
And white
I
ice.
think, I mean, you know,
is it
women
ice?
are told to obviously not, you know, like, it doesn't matter what they think or what they want. At the end of the day, they have to just conform to what the society sees them as or wants them to be. So I think that's that. Like, the brain has been scraped out of the skull. Ki socho mat kuch.
Anymore.
And it's interesting that, you know, some areas are like more, you can say, pigmented.
Yeah.
And then this is like all white. And then, I mean, this can represent that no matter what we go through, we still have like hope. Yeah, we still, you know, like get up, dust ourselves, and go on with life.
I personally think, you know, it talks more about hopelessness than, you know, actual hope.
It probably does. Yeah. So again, this is all Ariba's artwork, guys. And I'm so proud of her. Pretty much done seeing all the paintings. Hi Ariba once again. And I think the art display was quite interesting. This is like my first time coming to an art gallery like this. I think I've been to a couple before, but I've never really, you know, experienced it the way I did today. So it was pretty good. And yeah, the theme was soft bodies, and it's all about like celebrating, I think, feminism or femininity. So it was good. Come check it out for yourself. So guys, we are at, is it called Hilal Park?
Hilal Park.
Alright, we're at Hilal Park, and can you believe it? This is in Karachi. I mean, I can't.
I know, right?
But it's sad that there's nobody here.
Yeah, it's like crowded, by the way.
Alright, it is.
Like it's gonna get evening, so everybody's just gonna start.
Alright, because
over here, like, so, this place I actually think it's entirely packed with cars.
Okay, because the Mausam right now is just
it's
so
actually like
good.
it's noon right now. It's afternoon right now, but it's not sunny, so that's a noon.
Yeah, Karachi is really beautiful at the moment. It's actually my second location. We went to Hilal Park in between, so now we'll be going to 4 places in total. But anyways, I'm here at Dialogue right now, and I'm here for the grand launch of Jensen. Let's see what they have to offer. I'm pretty excited to see that what this event is all about. The event is wrapping up, the Jensen event, and I'm here with Varda from Digital Zarda. By the way, I love the name of your blog. I think it's genius.
I mean, लोगों को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है कि what Digital Zarda actually is, but
tell me about it.
It's a very funny story. People used to call me Zarda, and my name is Varda, so I'm Digital Zarda.
I actually have your number saved as Varda Zarda or something like that.
Story of my life.
And I'm also here with Nida. Nida, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, hello. Oh my god, celebrity moment.
Yeah.
So did you have fun?
Yes, I had amazing fun, and follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
Later.
Okay. I'll leave the links in the description box, so do follow them.
Thank you so much.
Who I have here, sir, and see like all the food that she's about to eat. You look really nice, by the way. What are you eating, Sana? Caught in the act. Hi, Alina. Hi.
These are out. No
Alright, so guys, I'm finally at Flock. This is my final destination for the day.
Yes, because she's not going to show you what she's going to eat.
You're not? No, I will.
I'm just kidding. हम लोग जो है छोटा सा सैलेड बोल दिखा के बाद में
Exactly, that's what we do. Yeah.
Eating healthy and keeping
Yeah, so we are just catching up. I'm here with Amna and Malia, and this was super random, super last minute plan.
Yes, but we like random and
Yeah.
last minute plans because sometimes everything doesn't necessarily have to be on social media. We just like to chill and have coffee and food.
But we're still vlogging. Not spill any tea today.
Yes,
there was no
we were too busy with coffees to spill
But
any tea.
we will be back soon. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So, bye. गाइस, तो आज है फ्राइडे और मैं यहाँ इन लोगों के साथ हूँ एंड वी आर शूटिंग एट फ्रायर हॉल। थोड़ा अंधेरा होना शुरू हो गया। हम एक्चुअली काफ़ी देर से बातें करते हैं, हम सब बहुत अरसे बाद मिले। मैं नूर अरीबा से आई थिंक 2 साल बाद मिली हूँ, ऐसे कुछ काफ़ी अरसा हो गया। तो हम बातें कर रहे थे ना, थॉट आई ब्लॉग थोड़ा सा तो आई जस्ट शो यू, मतलब आज इतना हैपनिंग डे नहीं है जितना कल था। बट बाय द वे दैट्स अरीबा भी मैं मिलवाती हूँ आप लोग को ठीक से। लिटरली वो बंदा सोता हुआ मेरे ब्लॉग में आ रहा है। तो दोस्तों दिस इज अरीबा, जिनका कल हम आर्ट एग्जीबिशन देख कर आए हैं IVS में. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड. हम इतने दिनों बाद मिले, बट हम फाइनली मिले. एंड दैट्स हर ट्विन नूर, जिनका अभी फोटोशूट कर रहे हैं फरमान. Again, so I did not end the vlog. I actually forgot to end the vlog at Frere Hall. So today we're out and about. क्योंकि कराची में लाइट गई हुई है इस वक्त और सब लोग रोड पे हैं. And I look ratchet because I don't have any makeup on. But we are here at Cold Stone Creamery and I just got some raspberry sorbet because I've been craving frozen yogurt. But apparently all the frozen yogurt outlets have closed in Karachi, so this is like the next best thing for me. So here I am, but that was the vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and check out everybody's link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was something different for me, but I also had a lot of fun while filming it.